Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the how to make the website very fast using AI. Okay, so there are many students who ask me to how to do the website very fast without knowing codes. Okay, so we have to go to that AI tool which is a cloud AI. Okay, if you click on it, it asks to log in via your Gmail account. If you are logged in, it is coming like this. Okay, so I already logged in, so you can come to this dashboard. If it is a free user, you have to use 5 prompt. Okay, that's a free plan. If you are satisfied, you will be able to buy this one. Okay, so upgrade it, but here this is a free plan at the right now. If it is a monthly cost, it's come around $20, but it is very worth. $20 is worth. I recommend that it's worth for $20. Okay, you have to get a good amount of advantages if you are working the software firms. Okay, so now what I'm going to see, you will be able, there are plenty of models are there at the moment. The free model, these two models are, we are at the time we have free. Opus, this is the very best feature, so we can't enable this one at the moment. It is a upgrade one, it is a premium one. You have to, once you pay, it will be unlocked, you will be able to use it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type, I want to create the website, right? So I want to, you tell them, act as a world best website design, site web design. Okay, so I'm telling them here, I need you to design the website based on real estate. Okay, it consists of 5 pages. Okay, so those are, so you can tell them 4 pages. Okay, those are home, comma about, comma services, comma contact. These are the 4 pages. Consider these 4 pages. Okay, so I have to put into this option double quotation mark clearly. So it is okay. I need the best and professional. You don't worry about the, so professional. If you have any spelling mistake, you got professional. Okay, to tell them clearly, then only it is, I need the best and professional design. Okay, using, you have to implement the language using HTML, CSS, comma tail. Till then, in order to design using HTML, CSS, tail. Click it. Okay, you have to white like this. Okay, so it is working. You don't worry about here. This creating the main HTML file, the real estate website. Okay, it is creating the website. Okay, so once you get the design, you will be able to edit. So uh, I recommend that when there are a lot of the tutors are telling that you don't have a knowledge to do the website with your AI. So that is not true. You must have a basic knowledge of website, so how the HTML structures and everything, then only you will be able to edit the content and all. Okay, that the website is display. Okay, if you tell them, So once you change the content, you must have an idea about how to change the content. So you have to how to open the file on the VS Code editor, how to edit the content. Content mean not designing. The content mean if you have 5 pages, the 5 pages, what are the content you are including? What are service you are providing? What about us? What are the you have to tell them about your company. What you have to add your company details and everything. You have to tell them so that that are the things you must you can tell here as well. These are the home page consists and about our service and contact. But if you are premium user, you will be able to tell and uh, you will be able to design the website. But my best thing is you have to get the professional dashboard with the dummy test. After that, you have enough knowledge to edit the one. Okay, so that is the thing. This is creating. So you wait until the page has been creating, then after that I will continue this video. Now you can see the site is ready. Okay, now you will be able to see the site is ready along with the mobile responsive. So you will be able to download them. You click it download. Here it's downloaded. So now you're able to get the website. So, okay, so that's the website. So you can double click and open it here. Okay, here the very best website here. So this is a very nice look the website. Oh, the contents are very delicate, very professional one. For the same page, you have to copy and make it as a about us. The same page you will be able to get the about us and you can write on it. Here the simple web page. Okay, so you can tell them that the data you can read about us. I need you to design the about us page. Okay, so you will be able to tell them. So it is I build about here it is now it's creating the about us page as well. Okay, so my recommend is this is once a home page is created, the rest of the page you have to get the copy of this template. Okay, the template you just get the copy. After that you having a knowledge about this one, we have to this slideshow this one available only the home pages. Okay, so this is the home page. So the this content you have to change it. Okay, this one also you have to you will be able to edit. Okay, it's very simple. These are the pages we will be able to create the simple website within the minute. So using AI. So only the things you have to tell them that about us, that the about us page is creating. Okay, so we have to wait how the page look like. So the same template, so that pages look like some add some dummy content. You will be able to add your own content, right? Okay, let's wait. Okay, so once the content is finished, now you will be able to see that about us page also the design successfully. Here you will be able to download the about us page as well. Here now we will be able to go to that design. So this is about us. Here you tell them that company and everything. You have to tell them that about us page. Okay, so real estate. Okay, so this is the about us design page. So if you want that here this everything is are there. So home page, so home page. Okay, so home page. Say about us. Let's say about us. You will be able to see the about us. So about us page. Okay, nice design. You if you want a contact us, you have to tell them I need a contact us. This is all the pages. What you're going to do is you have to cut them. Go to D drive, make a folder, real estate. Okay, so you have to paste. That's it. It is all. Click it, click. The rest of the page you have to design. Okay. As I explained the way that is the way you have to do the rest of the pages. Okay. Simple. Okay. The remaining pages you have to design. That's that kind of a thing. Okay. So I hope this video is very helpful to make the design. So this design you will be able to edit. So using that, you have to install, once you install the VS Code editor in your machine, you have to go to the code space dot, get them. Here where you will be able to edit the content. Here you will be able to edit the contents. Here you will be able to edit. Okay, so this simple. Only the things you have to know about how to edit the content. So this section, if you don't have no need this section, you select and delete them. These are the things you must have a knowledge. Okay, that's why we need a very basic knowledge of program, designing program. Then only you will be able to design this kind of a professional website using AI. Okay, this is the AI. It's the very best AI. Okay, thank you for watching.